we are going to try this. And also, my favorite face sculpt sticks is in new packaging right now. So, ayan, gamitin natin. First time ko gagamitin sa espresso. Oh, pigmented niya. Guys, yung packaging niya, guys, very luxe. Tapos, i-mix natin siya. Ito yung, mimix natin shade. Ito talaga yung pinaka-shade ko. Ito talaga yung shade ko sa, yung old packaging nito. I'll tell you the story. Nakakadumi siya. Madumi siya. Tapos, nung rini-formulate or rini-packaging, lalong gumanda. So, we are going to blend this. So, ito yung sponge nila. And, we're going to blend this. Okay. Same packaging. Okay. Formulation, it blends pretty well. Sponge and brush, pretty amazing. And Strokes Beauty, favorite ko tong bronzer nyo ha. Favorite ko tong face sculpt nila. And it goes a long way by blend this and out. And I super duper love it. And yung sponge nyo, ang ganda, super dali niyang gamitin as is. Okay, i-conceal natin yung mga blemishes natin. Gamitin natin yung kabilang to. Ayan. Ginamit natin yung color corrector nila. Then, next naman is, i-conceal natin yung mga blemishes natin, yung chismis natin sa mukha. Let's see. Lagay natin tayo dito. Ayan. Then, let's see if this sponge performs pretty well. Okay. Ito, pwede siyang gamitin on your nose. Sa T-zone na to. You can use it as part of your T-zone. And this one, the sponge sounds pretty good to apply. Conceal everything. It's the best sponge that I ever tried. Final review, still the best bronzer stick that I ever tried. Ito, so, yung swatches, ganun pa rin, still the same. Packaging, so luxe, thumbs up. This one, So Complexion Pro Beauty Sponge. Best, an innovative beauty sponge from Strokes Beauty that I ever tried. So, you better try this one right now.